Hey there, folks. I'm James Henderson, your go-to guy for all things AI and machine learning. Now, before we dive into the wonders of artificial intelligence, let me tell you about something equally intriguing. It's the ability to spread absolute nonsense faster than you can say Skynet. According to the internet, AI is either going to steal your job, your spouse, or maybe even your dog. And by 2030, we'll all be living under the benevolent dictatorship of the toaster oven. This little guy right here, he's not plotting world domination. He's just trying to make sure your bread doesn't become a charcoal bouquet. But that's the thing about AI. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and it's our job to set the record straight. So let's clear the air. AI is not the evil robot overlord from the movies. It's more like that super smart but socially awkward kid in the school who helps you with your homework but can't really hold a conversation. AI can do a lot of amazing things, but it has its limitation. Trust me, I've led enough projects in this space to know that asking AI to be creative is like asking a cat to take a bath. It's just not going to happen. AI is great at prosecuting data, finding patterns, and doing the heavy lifting in ways that would make even the most dedicated intern jealous. But let's not give it more credit than it deserves. It's not here to replace you, it's here to help you. Think of AI as that reliable sidekick who always has your back, but maybe shouldn't be trusted with your online dating profile. In all seriousness, understanding what AI can do and what it can't do is critical for your business today. Whether you're building the next big AI startup or just trying to figure out how to use it without accidentally launching a rocket, I'm here to help you, guide you through it. Here on the channel, we're going to debunk myths, break down complex topics, and most importantly, have a little fun along the way. Because there's one thing I've learned from my time in the Army and my years consulting in the AI world, it's that you gotta keep things light and keep it real. So hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot to cover. And remember, the only thing your toaster is plotting is how to give you the perfect breakfast. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What's the funniest AI myth you've heard? Bet we can top it.